Special Court for Elected Representatives in Bengaluru on Wednesday convicted Congress MLA Vinay Kulkarni along with 15 others in connection with the 2016 murder of Yogish Gouda in the Dharwad district of Karnataka. MLA Kulkarni was also serving as the chairman of the Karnataka Urban Water Supply and Drainage Board. According to case details, Yogish Gouda was allegedly murdered by hired assailants just days after his family received an anonymous warning about an impending threat to his life. The case was investigated by the Central Bureau of Investigation, and prosecutors Hema KS and Shivananda Perla are likely to seek life imprisonment for Vinay Kulkarni and his associates. Involvement came to light during the CBI investigation. Out of the 21 original accused, 2 individuals, Vasudeva Rama Nilekani and Somashekar Basappa Nyamagowda, were acquitted by the court after being given the benefit of doubt. The special court also granted liberty to the CBI to prosecute witnesses who turned hostile during the trial. Additionally, the court permitted the registration of cases for giving false testimony against police officers Shivananda Chalavadi, Babu Katagi and Shankara Gowda Basanagowda Patil for allegedly attempting to protect the accused, along with 7 independent witnesses. After a long trial, the court found Kulkarni guilty and sentencing has been adjourned to next day. Since Kulkarni has been convicted under Section 302 of the Indian Penal Code, which provides for life imprisonment or death penalty depending on the court's discretion. The punishment is expected to be announced soon. As per the Representation of the People Act 1951, any elected representative sentenced to more than 2 years in jail is automatically disqualified from holding public office. Further legal proceedings in the case are expected following the announcement of the sentence. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.